So in this particular course, we are going to learn how to import asset into the Godot mobile editor, and this knowledge comes handy whenever you are working, especially in a mobile. Then you will learn how to divide the game mechanics into smaller components, which can act basically as an independent individual component that work together to form our final game. And you will also learn how to add assets from asset library to speed up the development process. Learn about collision detection. So basically there are various methods and ways how you can detect collision from one object to another, and that's what we are going to learn in this course. Then we are going to learn how and what are the limitations when it comes to developing a game in a mobile uh, running our Godot engine. Then we are going to learn how to make our game cross-platform so that you can support multiple operating systems like Android, WebGL, or maybe PC. Then at the end, you will learn how to export out the game for sharing. Okay, so this was it. So keep your expectations like this, and I will see you in the next video.